you're just mucking around on your guitar, you're playing for friends, you're playing for family, to get from that point to recording is not a huge leap. You do need some equipment though. Of course, you're going to need a microphone, you're going to need some kind of recorder. You can do a lot on your phone, okay? If you're just looking for a very basic demo, you can do a lot. There are apps where you can actually just record, multi-track recording we're talking about. And when we say multi-track, what we mean is, you have the guitar, so, you record your guitar part, whatever that is, doesn't matter. And then that's done. And then on top of that, you record your vocal. And then on top of that, you record whatever. So multi-track recording. Of course, obviously, you can just do the recording in one shot with your guitar and voice. You can add instruments later. There's a lot you can do. And there's a lot of levels of recording. So it's not a huge leap. The basics, well, I think the basics are just, trial and error, really. You just got to figure it out. It's not very complicated. There's a lot of YouTube videos out there that can guide you along this process, depending on what kind of recording you want to do. What level of recording are you after? You want just a basic recording so you could share your song with friends and family and whatever? Did you want to pitch to publishers, record companies, producers, artists? Did you want to, what did you want to do with your song? Do you want to release it? Are you an artist? So it really is a question that has a lot of different answers depending on where you're at. Okay, I hope that helps.